I've been asked to talk a little bit about what is the coolest research project that I'm currently involved with. I'm Shekeeb Mohammad, a neurologist in Sydney, Australia, and my area of research and clinical interest is to look after children with movement problems that can range from rare genetic disorders to birth injury related cerebral palsy. As I've progressed through my training, and we have moved on from complementing our clinical identification of problems of movement that are described by some of these terms to better understanding of a variety of causes, mainly genetic causes that may lead to these problems, as well as then moving on to understanding how these genes affect various pathways in the body. This has led to very exciting developments, particularly when it comes to treatment, such as in the case of this one gene called ADCY5, where movement problems in children who carry changes in this gene can improve when they have coffee, a very cheap and readily available intervention. On the other hand, we have also begun to appreciate that children with cerebral palsy and some genetic disorders can have significant improvements, sometimes life saving, by a technique that used to be reserved for Parkinson's disease in adults called deep brain stimulation. Current research projects are looking at some of these novel therapeutics, not just from the technical angle, but also from the aspect of families and clinicians' expectations and satisfaction with these very rare and novel interventions.